If your home has gained value over the past few years, you might be sitting on a gold mine of trapped equity. But how do you actually access it safely? A cash-out refinance replaces your current mortgage with a larger loan, allowing you to convert a portion of your accumulated home equity into cash. While it can be a powerful tool for home improvements or debt consolidation, it changes your monthly payment and loan terms. Today we break down how cash-out refinancing works and what you need to consider. When you execute a cash-out refinance, lenders typically require you to leave a certain percentage of equity in the property often. Keeping your loan-to-value ratio around 80% or lower. Qualifying requires meeting standard credit score thresholds, verifying stable income, and passing an appraisal to confirm your home's current market value. Using cash-out funds wisely, such as investing in home renovations that increase property value or paying off high-interest debt, can strengthen your overall financial health. However, because you are resetting your mortgage term and potentially taking on a higher interest rate depending on market shifts, careful planning is essential. Evaluating your equity options ensures your financial decisions support your long-term goals. Comment home or comment loan below to connect with Duane Buziak Mortgage Maestro.